So continuing with the mosquito part, so everything I'll summarize in this single flashcard. So we have to study mostly about these four types of mosquitoes: Anopheles, Culex, Aedes, and Mansonia. Okay, so Anopheles mosquito is also called sophisticated mosquito because it breeds in clean water, whereas Culex breeds in dirty water, so it is also called nuisance mosquito. Okay, Aedes in the artificial collected water, and Mansonia in the aquatic plants. Okay, so the Culex mosquito, it was endemic to Japanese encephalitis, but now the Japan became clean, so there is no dirty water for the Culex to breed, so it migrated to other countries. It's just a trick to remember. Don't take it personally. So Japanese encephalitis, that is Eukarya, that is Bancrofti, which causes filariasis. So C for Crofty and C for Culex, you can remember. And talking about the Aedes you can remember by D for dengue and yellow fever and chikungunya and Zika virus. Mansonia is for Brugia Malai Mansonia. You can remember by that way. So the Anopheles lays single eggs and it has boat-shaped eggs, whereas Culex has cluster eggs. And single eggs means not just one single egg. It means that they lay a lot of eggs, but they are single. They are not in the clusters. They are separated from each other. Whereas in Culex it is cluster. In Aedes also it is singulate. In Mansonia cluster. Okay, so the Anopheles larva do not have siphon, so it lies parallel to the water, whereas Culex and Aedes and Mansonia, they have siphon tube, so they lie at the angle. As you can see in this diagram, it do not have siphon, so it is lying parallel. Whereas if you see in this diagram, the Aedes have the siphon, so it is quite an angle. Okay, it rests at an angle. Whereas Culex also have a siphon, so it rests at an angle, and Culex have a longer siphon. Having said this, so the adult form, it's an angle to Anopheles. Now in larva it was not having siphon, so it was parallel and others were at angle. But now the Anopheles became adult and it was able to sit in. Now it is able to sit in angle. So the wings are spotted. And the Culex is since the larval stages they are. Aedes and Culex were sitting at the angle, so now they got hunchback in the adult. Okay, so having said this, the tricks to remember for the diseases: Anopheles, malaria, Culex is for Japanese encephalitis and Bancrofti, and Aedes. So to remember the diseases caused by Aedes mosquito, the actual spelling for the Aedes is this, but what we do is we change E with Y, and Y is for yellow fever, D for dengue, and C for chikungunya, and Z for Zika virus. So you can write this spelling and you can remember the disease.